Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get into Salesforce. First, understand that Salesforce is the world's leading customer relationship management platform, used by over 150,000 businesses globally. It helps companies manage customer interactions, automate tasks, and improve sales and service. Getting started involves exploring its vast ecosystem and understanding its core functionalities. This foundational knowledge is crucial for anyone looking to build a career in this dynamic field. Next, dive deep into Trailhead, Salesforce's interactive learning platform, which offers hundreds of modules and projects. Focus on earning your first certification, like the Salesforce Administrator. This credential demonstrates a solid understanding of the platform's core features and configuration. Many professionals find that having at least one certification opens numerous doors. It shows potential employers you possess verified skills and a commitment to the ecosystem. After gaining foundational knowledge and certifications, practical experience is key. Complete super badges on Trailhead to simulate real-world scenarios and build a portfolio. Consider volunteering your skills for a nonprofit. Many organizations need Salesforce support and offer invaluable experience. Internships are also excellent for applying your learning in a professional environment. These experiences will help you bridge the gap between theoretical knowledge and practical application, making you a more attractive candidate. Finally, focus on your job search. Craft a resume that clearly showcases your Salesforce certifications and practical experience. Prepare thoroughly for interviews, emphasizing your problem-solving abilities and platform knowledge. Leverage the extensive Salesforce community. Networking can lead to unexpected opportunities. Remember, the Salesforce ecosystem is constantly evolving, so continuous learning is essential for long-term career growth. Stay curious and keep building your expertise.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.